All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Travis, Bro Industries Motorsports here. We're going to do a quick little update on the Dodge Viper roll cage build that we are doing. I don't know if you guys remember Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hello, everybody.
He came in here. The shop has been slammed. He's been working in the background on the Viper here and there, and I've been working on what you'll see in upcoming videos. I'm not going to announce it yet. But anyway, I had the bulk of the cage done. A pillars, B pillars, roof bars. He came in and did these very fancy, complicated door bars because it is such a tight, cramped interior. But as you can see, he snaked it in pretty good. So door shuts nice and good, nice and tight. Just barely kisses the seats. Let me run around here to the other side. Got the door open over here. See, it comes up to the top of the B pillar here. Runs down right next to the seat, just past your shoulder. Gives you a nice side protection. And then it curves down into the bottom of the A pillar here, right where it ties into the subframe of the vehicle, the body there. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the seats back out, and then we're gonna fully weld them in. We're gonna finish painting it all up, and then we're gonna continue working back on the front end, where we're gonna start pulling bars from the A pillar. We're gonna go through the firewall and snake them down to the frame to where we can mount big heavy-duty gussets on the upper A-arms, and then we can mount our cantilever or coilover front suspension setup. Keep everything wide enough to where we can drop the twin turbo LS in between there. But as you can see here, nice and tight. Let me shut the door, get a good angle here. Everything is nice and tight. Got about a finger gap there within the door panel. Everything's nice and clear. It's not going to mess up your interior. Everything clears the seats. The seats still adjust forward and backwards. They still backrest, still tilts. Everything should be nice and good and comfortable once everything is back inside the interior there. It's a nice little frontal view. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get it all welded up, get it painted up, get it wrapped up, and we'll do another video, do a quick little update in another video, and we're just going to keep going. We're going to move on to the front end. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep you posted on this other project that's in here. I already started editing the video, so it'll be coming out real soon. So we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace out. Thanks again for watching.